climb inside the 2015 Mazda 3. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Mazda prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, rear wipers, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.